How to fix Roblox authentication failed error code. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. If your Roblox showing you 403 code error, it means that you're having some network issue. So what you have to do is restart your computer, or you can also change the network. After restarting your computer, you have to restart your Roblox, or you can also uninstall it and clear its cache and again download it. Now once you restart your computer, what you have to do is simply go on the computer settings, and here you have to go on the network and the internet, and here you have to select that internet which you previously connected, and here you have to go on its advanced network setting and disable it and again enable it, and here are you good to go. So yeah, this is how you can fix Roblox authentication failed error code.